this video, I will introduce you the all-new innovative product for the 21st century classroom from Evermedia, the Everpen. A basic set of Everpen comes with 1 teacher pen and 4 student pens. You can use Everpen as a mouse or presenter. You can also use it as a voting device for up to 60 students voting in the class, or an input device that can allow 1 teacher plus up to 6 students to simultaneously annotate or do the drag and drops on the same screen. On the teacher pen, you can see there are 6 buttons, and they are the presentation buttons. And on the student pen, there are also 6 buttons, and they are for voting. Here's the anatomy of the Everpen. The teacher pen sits in a cradle like this, and this cradle is actually an RF receiver and a charger for Everpen. And the student pen comes with a charger that looks like this, and actually you can connect the chargers up to a train of 5. So you only need 1 power cord to charge 20 pens. To set up Everpen, you first need to install the EverPlus software to your computer. Then connect the cradle to your computer using the USB cable. You can then connect your computer to a projector or monitor using a VGA cable. What's great about Everpen is that you can integrate Evermedia's visualizer for advanced applications. Simply connect the visualizer to your computer using a USB cable. After you set up your Everpen, you want to bind the pens for them to start working. First, launch EverPlus software from your computer. Go to Settings and open Pen Management. To bind the teacher pen, you first click on the Assign button here. Then you hold both the tail button and the right-click button until the green light is on. Now your teacher pen is bounded with the Everpen receiver. It's the same for the student pens. Click the Assign button here under the Student section. Then hold both the tail button and the right-click button of your student pen until the green light is on. Now your student pen is bounded too. You can bind as many as 60 student pens to 1 cradle using the same method. 60 student pens is actually a lot of pens. So what if the teacher got mixed up and cannot tell which student is holding which pen? Well, it's very easy. You can either label the pen or go to Pen Management and query the pen. Click this Query button and you can see the light is turned on here. If the student pen you're holding is pen number 1, then the corresponding button will be flashing like this. So this is how you set up your Everpen.